Good day everyone. So here I am going to discuss linear equation in a standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. In this form, a, b, and c are constants, while x and y are variables. So I have given example of an equation here in a standard form. So I have here 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So the first thing to do is to find the x-intercept. So in finding the x-intercept, we would set y to 0. So we have here 5x minus 2, then change the y to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 10. So after that, we would find the, so we have here 5x, 2 times 0 is, we have 0, and equals to 10. So we would not include 0, so we have 5x is equal to 10. And to get the value of x, so we would have to divide both sides by 5. So we have here divided by 5, divided by 5. So 5x divided by 5, so we have x. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we have the value of x-intercept 2. And the x-intercept occurs at the point 2 and 0. So we have 0 here since we replace y to 0. So next is we would have to find the y-intercept. So in this case, we would set the value of x to 0. So we would have 5 times 0 minus 2y is equal to 10. And then 5 times 0, so it's equal to 0 minus 2y is equal to 10. Or we would have it like this. So negative 2y is equal to 10. And in finding the value of y, so we would divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2y divided by negative 2 is we have y, and equals 10 divided by negative 2 is we have negative 5. So the y-intercept rather is equal to negative 5. So the point occurs at 0 and negative 5. It is 0 since we replace x as 0. So here we would transform standard form to slope-intercept form. So the standard form formula is we have ax plus by is equal to c, and we would transform it into slope-intercept form formula, y is equal to mx plus b, to get the value of the slope. So we have here our formula, 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So here our y is negative 2y. So since it is in the left side and the y here is in the left side as well, so we would just copy here negative 2y and then equals. So our x is 5x. So 5x is in the left side, and here it is in the right side since na equal diri. So unsay mahitabo og ato siyang ibalhin diri sa diri nga right side na pod since naman siya sa left. So ang yahang sign positive, ma-change siya into negative. So we have negative 5x. And then, since it is in the left side, so we would just copy here. So since it is in the left side as well. So, and then we have here the expression, negative 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 10. And to eliminate, so kung tangtangon si negative 2, so we would just divide the whole expression to negative 2. So, negative 2 divided by negative 2 is y. And negative 5x divided by negative 2, so we have negative 5 over negative 2x. And then 10 divided by negative 2 is equal to 10 over negative 2. So we have here, so both negative, so it would come into, it would become, so mahimong na siyang positive tanan. So we have 5 over 2x and plus, and since our denominator is negative and our numerator is positive, so the rule in dividing positive and negative, so it would become negative. So it would become like this. So if we divide positive and negative, so we would refer to it as positive is tarong and then the negative is buang. So the positive ato kuno i-divide sa negative, so dili sila magkasinabot. So it is negative. Wala sila nagkasinabot. So we have the negative 5. So our standard form 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Look in this so our 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So naingayon na siya forma nga ato siyang transform into slope-intercept form. So we have y is equal to 5 over 2x minus 5. So here our slope-intercept form y is equal to 5 over 2x minus 5, where n, here the variable n is our slope, and this letter b here is our y-intercept. So we can easily locate, or we can easily find our slope. So our slope here is 5 over 2, and our y-intercept is negative 5. So same answer with the standard form right here. Y is equal to negative 5. So we have our graph here. So, and the given values, the slope 5 over 2, the x-intercept points, we have the 2 and 0, and the y-intercept points 0 and negative 5. So here, this line horizontally is called our x-axis. So it is our x-axis. And here, the line here vertically is our y-axis. So we would locate the points in a y-intercept. So 0 and 5. So we would have here 0 and 5. So it is located here in this. And then our x-intercept point. So we would locate here 2 and 0. So we have here. This is the point form of 2, 0. And here, the slope is 5 over 2. So, 5 units upward. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 units to the right side. Here, 1, 2 is our slope. Or here, it would look like this. 2 units. This is our run. 2 units to the right. And 5 units upward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our rise. So, here, we graph it. So, here's the graph of our equation in a standard form. 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Thank you.